Hey guys, it is Shauna again from Ponder, Texas. Hadn't made a video in a while. This heat is making videos and being outside just miserable. Doing what we can to keep the chickens cool. Got this fan that's been going for I don't even know how long. A month. Got the chicken pool that the chickens love to be in. So they're staying cool there. I've got some water bottles that are frozen that I need to bring out to them. These two right here, they're running from me. That is Loretta Hen, and this is Daisy Duke, and they are joined at the flippity end. Annie. Got a couple of new chickens around here. There's Poppy. He's been sick, and we got him all fixed up, and I think he's feeling better now. Boss Hog and Prudy. This is one of my speckled Sussex. This is Wendy. And that's Tinkerbell over there. I can't see because of the glare. Tinkerbell has more white spots than Wendy. She's got more magic on her back than Wendy does. And then over here we have our new girls, and they're going to run from me. I have two silver-laced Wyandottes, Wyandottes, whatever you want to call them, and two white-crested Polish, I think they're bantams or they're a bantam cross, but they are definitely smaller. So that's our new girls. These two should be laying, but I just got them. This is just their second full day here, so we'll see. And again, it is so hot. So hot. We've done a couple of things. It's, let's see what time of day it is. Give y'all something to look at while I look at my watch. I don't know, it's 3:15. So we've got nice shade back here. The back of this shop is facing east. So we've got nice shade back here. In between the chicken hut and the shop. We've got a piece of wood up. We're just doing whatever we can to provide shade for these girls. Got a pallet here that provides a little bit of shade. It's a little bit of shade here. Just little hidey holes wherever we can come up with them. I've got misters here too. I'm going to turn those back on. The new girls are a little bit leery of them. They don't like them so much. So I turn them off. But that's where we are. I'm getting 2 eggs a day pretty regularly now. Hoping to increase that. I can't open that right now, not with one hand. Once everybody starts laying, I should be getting about 8 eggs a day or so. I'd say that would be an average. So, but it's just so hot. You can see them panting. Tearing up their food bowl. They do that every day. I don't know why that happens. Anyway, yeah, I just kind of wanted to update you and tell you where I've been and why I've not been on here. See these two? They are just always together. So I am going to go and find some ice bottles and see if I can cool these guys down a little bit. Sorry this one's so short and there's not much content, but you know, in this heat, it is what it is. You guys have a great day, and we'll see you next time. Bye.